So I have some sushi left over for lunch and half of an egg roll. And I'm not going to eat it. And I don't eat leftovers. So let's see if the chickens want some sushi. Who wants some sushi? Oh, he took the whole piece. Oh, look, they fight over it. All right, who wants a shrimp tempura roll? Wow, Rocky. He's like, you got some more? Okay, you know, when you change between different rolls, you need a little pickled ginger. They want to try that? I think they like pickled ginger. My rooster ate all the pickled ginger. Who wants some pickled ginger? Wow. Okay, one left. Who's up for it? Okay, how about a half-eaten egg roll? Boy, he took that and ran. All right, pickled ginger. Cleanse your palate. There you have it, folks. Chickens love sushi. All I got left is wasabi. You won't want that.